Welcome to Nagas Delicious. In today's video, we are going to see the preparation of Eldupurna Kulukattai or the sesame seeds stuffed momos. This video is an ode to the nutritious sesame seeds. Health benefits of sesame seeds: facilitates digestion, keeps the heart healthy, reduces inflammation and hypertension, protects from radiation, boosts metabolic functions, manages and controls diabetes, improves the bone health, prevents cancer, and facilitates hair and skin care. Ingredients required: rice flour 1 cup, sesame seeds 3/4 of a cup, jaggery 3/4 of a cup, cardamom 5 pods crushed, ghee 4 teaspoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon, modak mold. If you don't have, we can use hands. Step 1. Heat the sesame seeds till golden brown. So when we are going to fry it on the pan, the sesame seeds, they exhibit a very good aroma because of all the oils, vital oils present in it. And once it is golden brown, we can stop the frying process. We can do it in a moderate flame. And next, after it is cooled for some time, make a coarse powder using a blender. And next step, take a pan, add half a cup of water and add the jaggery into it in a moderate flame. This is for preparing the jaggery syrup. So once we obtain this consistency, we can stop the boiling process because the syrup is done. So set it aside to cool for some more time. Once it is cooled, step 4 is filter the syrup and add the powdered sesame seeds in it to prepare the stuffing. So after filtering the syrup, ensure you add a teaspoon of ghee and elaichi powder for the flavor. At this stage, we are going to add the coarsely ground sesame seeds into the jaggery syrup. Mix them gently that they form a uniform consistency. The jaggery, the sesame seeds, the ghee and elaichi powder, all the ingredients blend very well to give a nice aroma to the stuffing. Yes, once they have all blended together, the stuffing is ready. Allow it to cool, and after that, prepare small balls of the stuffing like this. So the sesame stuffing is ready now. Next step, take a pan in a moderate flame and add 1.5 cups of water and allow it to boil. Once the water starts to boil, you can add 2 teaspoons of ghee and half a teaspoon of salt for preparing the covering dough. So once the water starts to boil, we can add 1 cup of the Kodukattai flour, rice flour. This rice flour has a different preparation. We can get this in almost any of the supermarkets. All we have to do is just ask for the Kodukattai maavu or idiyappam maavu. And now once the dough is set, switch off the flame and set it aside to cool. So once it comes to the bearable warmth, using your hands, you have to knead it into a soft dough.
Start.
Yes, and now the covering dough is ready. So this we have to again make it into small balls. Each one we can use it for preparing the covering dough. Now the covering dough has to be pressed gently to form a small circular flat disc shape to accommodate the stuffing. So place the stuffing and gently fold it with help of the banana leaf. So here I am going to tell you the different ways of preparing the covering dough. The basic shape, this is the basic shape which you call it as the a seashell shape. It's very easy to prepare. All that you require is a banana leaf, and if you don't have banana leaf in the proximity, nothing to worry, you can use a clean polythene sheet, and this we have to keep it on the steaming pan. And this is the second shape that we are going to form with help of the covering dough. This is called as a 4-petal shape. You just have to fold the banana leaf in such a way that you get a 4-petal shape. This is another shape of preparing the modakam or kodukatte. And this is the next shape. So just like the seashell shape, we have to fold it, and then we have to press the corners in such a way that they all meet at the center. And finally, once it is done, you can see that it takes a form of a coconut. So this is the original shape of the modakam, the coconut shaped modakams. And final mold, this is actually from my previous video. I had demonstrated it for preparing a mold, preparing modakam using a mold. So this is for the sake of demonstration, I have added this clip here. So by using a mold also you can prepare modakam. So the basic difference between using hand and mold is that if you use a mold, the finishing is very perfect. That's it. So you have to take a mold, press the dough to the walls of the mold gently, and then fill the stuffing. And once the stuffing is filled, you have to close the opening with help of the covering dough. So once it is done, you just open the mold. Perfect. Okay, so that is the difference between using hands and using a mold. And now we have to take the bottom pan of the steam cooker and allow the water to boil. Once the water boils, we can place all the modakams in the steaming pan and allow it to get steam cooked for 7 minutes. So now close the steaming pan. So close the lid and allow the steam cooking for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, the modakams are ready. So now you can see the different delicious, nutritious modakams ready in different shapes. The seashell shape, the molded one, the rounded one, and the coconut shaped one. So that's all about the sesame stuffed modakams. If you like the video, please subscribe, share, comment, click the bell icon. Thanks for watching Naga's Odalicious.